Got a little war going on here. War of the birds. It's like these, what are those, swans? They're all yelling. A what? Muscovy?
Yeah.
Muscovy ducks. Well, if that's, no, that's not what those are.
Yeah, they are.
Well, they don't have those black things and stuff all over them. Well, whatever they are, they're over there. They're over there yelling at the turkeys. I know there's a big fence in the way, but yeah, there's like a whole flock of turkeys that were back there, and then they started like hopping and flying about, flapping about and making noise. So it's like a whole war of the birds. They're talking. Oh, actually no, the wild turkey has been off exhibit since Wednesday, the 23rd of November. Oh wait, no, just kidding. It doesn't say that. So yeah, it's a bunch of ducks and I don't know. What is it? Is that a goat or something?
They're trying to talk you.
And there's what? Oh, sandhill cranes. Those are cool. Imagine one of those like coming at you and like trying to peck at you. Peck, 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 peck. What kind of, oh, there's a turkey down there.
Where?
Oh, and hey, that's the doll sheath. Ah, yes. Doll.
Doll sheath.
Doll. Doll.
Doll.
So, yeah. Oh, and there's a turkey. Big turkey. Yeah, those are the turkeys way out there. I know, all right. Like, I'm in a zoo, guys. No big deal, right, turkeys? No, I think it's cool. It's nature. It's,
Quack, quack.
yeah. Sorry, I didn't mean to zoom in on the butt of the sheep, too. Yeah, yes. It was like right at the bottom. I'm focusing on the turkeys.
The doll sheep, the males show dominance through their horn size. Hollow hair insulates their body. Toes are flexible and adjust to uneven surfaces, and their large ears can rotate to detect sounds from all directions.
Good. They sound like cool sheep. And that, yeah, that guy's screeching. Cool. Those things are, those are the turkeys, they're delicious. Oh, here's a fun one. The Toulouse goose. That just sounds fun to say. Say it with me. Toulouse goose.
Toulouse goose.
Toulouse goose, yes. Oh, come on. Don't get your feathers ruffled. And these guys down there, they don't care. The doll sheep was like, I'm not having any of this.
Whoa.
Show off.
Those aren't ducks, those are geese.
White Chinese goose.
Okay, that's what it is. A white Chinese goose. Whoa, that one has a whole bunch of its fur by its mouth. Feathers, I mean, not fur.
Fur.
Look.
Yes, it's on his beak. Well, folks, this just in. Geese have fur.
Geese have feathers.
Yeah, well, now they do. This is cool. I like these guys. It's like a whole bunch of different little creatures and how they all interact. It's like right there. Neat.
Nice. No, no. Turkey.
Hi. Gobble gobble.
Gobble gobble. Whoa. Gobble gobble. Gobble gobble.
What'd you say, Al Michelle?
Gobble gobble. I'm talking to it. Say turkey, Judah?
You're talking to the turkeys. There's also a Peking duck in here. Is it like the Peking acrobats? Jeez, look at this. This has turned out to be like the coolest video. Little guy, hey, how you doing? You make noise too? Like I should go live. This is awesome. What the heck? The noises. Talking turkey with Al Michelle. Oh, he's not done. Alright folks, this is so funny. Alright. El Michelle is making friends with turkeys. This is great. I've got a much longer video of this.
You live?
Yes. God, you do it better. Alright, I'm shutting off the camera. I'm just going to stay on Facebook. This will be funny. Anybody?